seventh grade. I'm sorry that we can't be there together on Friday. I know it's usually our word work day. However, I have some really fun activities planned for you. You are going to start with liking the post on Schoology. Make sure you do because that's how we're going to track attendance, as well as with the assignments that you need to complete through Schoology today. The first thing you're going to do after you like the post on Schoology is you are going to choice read. If you didn't bring your choice book home, please read a magazine, a book, read to a younger sibling, whatever you need to meet those 20 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is listen to me read the correct chunk of Brown Girl Dreaming so that we don't fall behind because we've got some crazy things that are about to happen in this book. The final thing you're going to do is complete some discussion posts and comprehension questions on what we've read so far in Brown Girl Dreaming. I really look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions about what's going on, please make sure you email me or message me on Schoology. Stay warm. Bye.